How to make homemade mayonnaise in easy steps. 1 piece fresh egg. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon mustard, any brand of your choice. 1 teaspoon vinegar. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1 cup olive oil, or you can choose any oil like canola oil, avocado oil, or grapeseed oil. But for this video we will use olive oil. By the way, also add 2 teaspoons of honey to add flavor, optional. We will use hand blender. As you see that the bottom of our mixture is starting to lighten, slowly raise our hand blender to mix it properly. Put in a clean container. First, put it at room temperature for 5 to 6 hours to ferment. Then you can put inside the fridge after 5 to 6 hours. Here is our homemade mayonnaise recipe. What are you waiting for, and do it now?